Hey everyone, Chris Callaway here with Callaway Classics. Today we're doing a quick lot walk to show you what we've got for sale. So join me as we take a walk out back and see what we've got that's new. So in case you're new to Callaway Classics, we are a classic car and truck dealership located in Marshall, Virginia. We operate out of two buildings that have previously been the longest continuously operated Ford dealership in America. And we mainly sell 60s and early 70s American cars and trucks. We also do some newer specialty vehicles, which you'll see inside, and some Japanese cars from the 90s and the 2000s. So starting outside, we've got a 1979 F-150. This is a pretty neat truck. It is sitting on a F-250 frame. It's got a 390 in it. It's got a C6 automatic transmission, and just a neat little truck to cruise around in. So we do have that on our website. And this is a 1990 F-150 with about 46,000 miles on it. It's a factory 4x4 XLT Lariat, so it's fully loaded for that year. It's got power windows, power door locks, power brakes, power steering, air conditioning, all the fun stuff. AM, FM, and cassette. And running over here real quick, we've got a 1970 Ford Ranchero with a 351 two-barrel Cleveland in it. It's a factory AC, power steering, power brake car. Something you just don't see very often, especially with the Squire package on it. That is also on our website. So everything that I'm showing in this video that's for sale is on our website. And before we walk inside, we do have two other cars here that are for sale that are not here today, but it's on our website. And that's a 2001 Corvette Convertible and also a 2003 Ford Mustang Cobra Convertible with 1,300 miles on it. And we also have another car that's coming soon, that will be listed soon, that's also not here. It's a 1966 Dodge Coronet with a factory Hemi 4-speed. So heading in here, first car in the lineup in here is a 1965 Ford Mustang, finished in silver blue. This is a C code. Nice little fastback. It's got a 289 two-barrel in it, like it left the factory with. And it also has power steering, power brakes, and a console. This car, this car is for sale currently. It's on our website for more information. And this car is a 1968 Chevy Impala SS 427. It's a factory air conditioning car, numbers matching 427, power steering, power brakes, power windows, pretty loaded for that year. This car has a deposit on it currently, so it is off the market. It's sale pending. Pretty neat car right here, a highly original 1972 Cadillac Eldorado. It's got 22,000 original miles on it, mostly original paint, unrestored, 500 cubic inch engine, 8.2 liter for you that don't know cubic inches, and it is just a boat. Pretty cool car to cruise around in. It's got power windows, air conditioning, everything that you can get for Cadillac that year. 1963 Ford Galaxie R-Code, factory R-Code 427. This is the first year that Ford came out with the 427. They actually jumped from that car there on the right, the 406. Halfway through 63, they came out with the 427. So that is what that is there. That's on our website and available. It's a 4-speed. Very neat car. These two are not on the website yet, but they are coming soon. These are practically brand new 2003 Mach 1s. They've never been driven. We originally purchased these brand new. Actually, the red one came from this dealership when it was a Ford dealership. So those are, like I said, coming soon. The one on the left has 5 miles. The one on the right has 18 miles. Very interesting fact, it was pulled off the line by Ford after production to be test driven. That's why it has, quote unquote, so many miles on it. So very neat cars, neat piece of history, more on the collector side. This car is a 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 XL 4-speed factory 406 with 3 deuce carburetor setup. It's not for sale yet, but it will be soon. It is just needs to be cleaned up and a few things done to it, and it will be ready to go. And then over here, not for sale yet, but is coming soon, a 1989 Ford Mustang Fox body with a 5-speed LX with about 6,300 miles on it. And then no one really cares about the Supra. It's not for sale, but it's just in here for storage. So we'll take a walk back to the other side, check out the other building real quick. Got some ZR1 Corvette wheels, if anyone's interested in those. And over here, we got a car that's coming soon as well, a 1964 Ford Galaxie with a 427 side loader, stroker, 4-speed. Very fun car to drive around. And then a 1957 Chevy Nomad. And a 1971 Camaro factory 396 4-speed car, finished in placer gold, so numbers matching motor and trans. So that is it for the tour today. Thank you for stopping in and checking this out. If you have any questions, like I said, a lot of the information is on our website, but you can also call or email us. Our website is callawayclassics.com, and you can also give us a ring. If I missed anything or have any questions, just leave a comment. Thank you.